Now we're going to learn how to calculate the weights for our weighted average cost of capital. So there's a couple different ways to do this. We'll just do it kind of a quick way. So the first thing we need to know is what's the market cap of the equity. Well, on the front page of Yahoo Finance, or on each stock front page, we have this. We have market cap. So as we can see now, market cap is number of shares outstanding times the current price of the shares. So for Microsoft, their market cap as of today is 1.03 trillion. So let's go to our Excel and let's type in market cap equity, and it's 1030. So that's in trillions. So we have trillions, billions, millions, and let's make sure that is correct. So we have a dollar. Whoops. We don't want to have scientific notation, so that is our dollars. And let's see, is that 1.03 trillion? 1,000, 100, million, billion, trillion. Yep. All right, so the next thing we can look at now, to calculate the yield to maturity, you need to use the existing bonds. But to actually have a more realistic calculation, we want to look at total debt, and we can get that from our balance sheet. So we go to our financials, and we'll look for our balance sheet, and we have a total debt as of June 2013 of, let's see, so we can use the most expansive one. So it's right now, that's in thousands. That number is in thousands, so it's 184 billion. So we have 184.2 billion. So let's go ahead and type this in, our debt. So we have 184, well actually it's 22,220,000. And let's make sure that's all right. All right format. Nope, we actually need that's 184 million. We need 3 more zeros. All right, so we have a total market cap of equity of 1.03 trillion. We have a total market cap of debt of 184. So we add that up, that'll be our total. So the total value of our firm, which is Microsoft in this case, is equity plus debt. So we have this 1.214. Now, to get the weighting, we want to take, so this is the value, and let's estimate the weight. So this is our weighting that we need to use for our weighted average cost of capital. So we've already estimated the cost of equity using dividend growth model, cost of equity using the CAPM model, and we've estimated the cost of debt using our yield to maturity of their current outstanding, or the current price, based on the yield to maturity based on the current price of their debt. So now we have the weight. We want to take equals the total equity divided by the total value of the firm. So we're 84% equity. We can add a few decimal places. And we are how much debt? We are a little over 15%. And so here we have our percentage of equity and our percentage of debt. And what we do is we use these figures. Now if there's a preferred stock, you need to add in preferred stock, so you can add it in here. Insert we have our cost sub P, our cost of preferred stock, how much preferred stock there is, and what percentage of the firm is preferred stock. You add it in there, add it into your total, and you'll get a little bit different numbers. But we can just add in. Well, we'll just say if you have preferred stock, you add it in there. If you don't need to add it in. But this would be the weight. So in this case, Microsoft, as of today, Microsoft weight in equity is 84.83%, and Microsoft's weight of debt is 15.17. Use those figures to use in your weighted average cost of capital calculation.